Good morning everyone. Today we are going to do the remaining problem sums of this exercise. So children, question number 6. A calculator cost rupees 845. A shopkeeper collected 7,42,755 by selling the calculator in 1 month. How many calculator he sell in 1 month? अब बताना है आपको कि 845 रुपीज़ का एक कैलकुलेटर आता है. एक शॉपकीपर ने 7,42,755 मनी अर्न किया एक मंथ में कैलकुलेटर को सेल कर कर. अब बताना है उसने कितने कैलकुलेटर सेल किए. तो ये क्वेश्चन एकदम सिमिलर है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 के. सो दिस इज फॉर योर होमवर्क. ओके, नाउ लेट अस मूव टुवर्ड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. आपको इस नंबर को 845 से डिवाइड करना है तो आपको आंसर आ जाएगा. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. 76,95,940 bricks were used for the construction of 70 chambers. If equal bricks were required by each chamber, how many bricks were used for each chamber? अब क्या बोल रहा है कि इतनी ब्रिक्स यूज हुई 70 चैम्बर्स को बनाने के लिए. अब आपको बताना है कि एक चैम्बर में कितनी ब्रिक्स यूज की हुई. तो चलिए कॉपी करिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 को क्लास वर्क कॉपी में. सो टोटल ब्रिक्स यूज, टोटल ब्रिक्स कितनी यूज हुई है? 940 ब्रिक टोटल यूज हुई है. नंबर ऑफ चैम्बर्स, कितने चैम्बर्स थे टोटल? 70. सो नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक्स used for one chamber equal to 76,95,940 divided by 70. ओके चिल्ड्रन, तो ये नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक्स यूज कितनी हुई है एक चैम्बर को बनाने के लिए आ जाएगा. तो चलिए हम डिवाइड करते हैं 70 से 76, 95, 940 को. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो 70 1 जा 70, 6 we will copy down 9, 69 is smaller than 70, so we will use 0, 0 za, and 69 is remaining, and we will copy down 5. Now 695. So let us try with 9. 9 sevens are 63. So 9s are 63. 5 minus 0 is 5. 9 minus 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. 65 is smaller than 70. So we will copy down 9. So 659. So 659 is there. We will again use 9. So 630. 9 minus 0 is 9. 5 minus 3 is 2. 6 minus 6 is 0. So 29 is smaller than 70. So we will copy down 4. 294. So we will try with 4. 7 4s are 28. So 4s are 28. So 4 minus 0 is 9 minus 8 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. Now 14 is less than 70. So we will copy down again 0. Now 140. We will try with 2. 7 2s are 14. So 2s are 14. So remainder is 0. So we got the answer. Answer: number of bricks used for each chamber are 109942. Okay children, this is your answer. So copy down question number 7 in your class for copy. And let's move toward question number 8. An industrial organization collected rupees 75,68,825 from its shareholder. If the value of share is 425, then what is the number of share issued by the organization? This is the same question and the values are also same with question number 4. Question number 4 देखिए. 7568825, 7568825, 425, 425. ये क्वेश्चन हमने ऑलरेडी सॉल्व कर लिया है, सो नो नीड टू सॉल्व इट वंस अगेन. सो हियर वी हैव फिनिश्ड द एक्सरसाइज 4G. We have finished all the problem sums. Now let us practice question number 1. So children, there is addition. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 9 plus 4 is 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 and so 16. 6 carry 1. 7 plus 1 is 8 and 8 and 8 is again 16. So 6 carry 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 9 and 10. 0 carry 1. 9 and 1 is 10 and 6 is 16. So 6 carry 1. 5 and 5 is 10 and 1 11. So 1 carry 1. 4 and 1 is 5 and 2 is 7. Okay children. Now part B. 2 minus 7 is not possible, so make it 12 by borrowing 1 from 3 and make it 2. So 12 minus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so 5. Now 2 minus 9 is not possible, so borrow from 5 and make it 6 and make it 5. Now 12 minus 9, 10, 11, 12 is 3. Now 5 minus 0 is 5. 5 minus 8 is not possible, so borrow from 7 and make it 6. And 5 becomes 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's 7. Now 6 minus 2 is 4. Now again 2 minus 5 is not possible. So borrow from 1 and make it 0. And 2 becomes 12. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 7. Now 0 minus 9 is not possible, so borrow from 8 and 8 becomes 7 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. So we got the answer. Now part C. 0 minus 9 is 9. 8 plus 0 plus 9 is 9. 10 plus 9 is 17. 7 carry 1. 3, 3, 6 and 1, 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. So 6 carry 1. 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. 5 and 5 10. 0 carry 1. 1, 2 and 3. 7 plus 1 is 8. We have done 3 questions. The rest we will solve in our next video. Till then, have a great day.